Hello friends! You are on the Tulipical makeup channel. Today we are going to do makeup on problem skin. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, push the thumb up and ring buttons. Let's not waste the time and get into it. Today our main task is natural makeup, hiding skin imperfections, unwanted texture and redness. And I tell you what, there is one forbidden trick which we now are going to apply. After cleansing, tone the face and don't forget about the décolleté area. Hyaluronic serum works great on problem and oily skin. It keeps the sebum very well throughout the whole day. Moisturize the skin under the eyes. Next, follow the skin. First layer of foundation is thin but rather pigmented. It's even better if you use some makeup bases of greenish undertone on reddish areas, and I really don't know why I didn't use one here. Moisturize the lips until the foundation dries a little. Concealer. Then powder the central area and all redness on the face with a special powder with a greenish undertone. Important here is that at this first stage it's supposed to be only a setting powder. Cheeks can be powdered with color powder. It looks much more better already. And here comes the forbidden trick. We pick up concealer on the brush and with the delicate movements we go through all the redness and acne on the face. The movements should be very light so as not to remove a layer of powder, but so that the concealer lies on it. Surprised? Well, if you try this trick and do everything in thin layers, I promise the result will be impressive. Fixing everything lightly with colored powder, thin layer of highlighter. If you do not want to emphasize the unwanted texture on cheeks, do not use aggressive sculpting. It should be light, slightly darker than the skin tone. Shaping the eyebrows. Well, eyebrows always do the business, don't they? Light pink sparkles on the movable eyelid. Light semi-shade on the lower eyelids and on the outer corner of the eyes. Slightly darken the outer corners. Draw a thin wing and make it much thicker in the outer corner of the eye. Look how the lifting effect is immediately seen. Blend it out with dark brown eyeshadows to give a little volume. Individual lashes. And voila! Friends, if you aren't subscribed or haven't pushed the thumb up and ring buttons, this is the best moment to do so. And very soon we will meet here on the Tulipical Makeup channel, so to say personally, for more makeup tips and hints. Thanks for watching and see ya!